Hi everyone, I'm Rachel from Ellii, and in this video I'll be showing you how to launch tasks. This is how you display the digital lessons and resources on the site. You can share this in person in the classroom or online by sharing your screen with a service such as Zoom. So without further ado, let's get started. Once you've logged in, look for a lesson you'd like to display. You can find this on our homepage, or you can go to Materials in the top banner and click Lessons in the drop-down menu. From here, you can browse through the categories for anything that piques your interest. If you have assigned something to your class that you'd like to share, you can go to Classroom in the top banner and click Classes. From here, click the class, and then choose the lesson you'd like to display. If you have chosen to display a lesson from your class, just click the title to begin. If you have browsed our website and found the lesson, or you found the lesson in one of our categories, click the title of the lesson to get started. If teaching in person or in the classroom, all you have to do is click Launch Tasks. This will display all the tasks available for this lesson on the left. You can click Start in the middle to display the task. If there are any answers available, you can click the gray apple to the right of the task to view them. You can display the tasks on a smartboard or a projector or on your screen if tutoring small groups. And you can go through each task on the left and start them by clicking Start in the middle. If teaching online, you first need to share your screen with a screen sharing service such as Zoom or Google Meet. Once your screen is shared, head over to this page, whatever lesson you chose, and click Launch Tasks. The steps are the same, except now your students can see your screen on your laptop or whatever device you are using. At any time while displaying the tasks, you can go back to the overview on the left side, or you can view the PDF version as well by clicking the PDF icon on the left. That's it for this quick video on how to launch tasks. I hope it was helpful. Please let us know if you have any questions. Happy teaching!
Ellii.